Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be filming my humongous Bath & Body Works kind of Valentine's Day and spring haul. I did review a lot of the new collections already, and typically with those reviews I'll buy like one mist and let you guys know my thoughts on the new scents, but now the stores finally have these collections out on the floor, so I went in multiple times during the past few weeks and picked up some stuff here and there and picked up the rest of the stuff from the different collections that I wanted. So we have a mixture today of a lot of body care and also some soaps and I think one candle. By the way, again, my sweatshirt I had to share. You guys say you love me in pink, so I've been wearing it a lot more. I do love pink as well. It's my favorite color. This again is from the Pulse Boutique and it's super cozy and comfortable. That's pretty much where I get all my clothes. That's where I model for, and I will try to kind of show you if I do have a new Pulse item that is available. I'll let you guys know at the beginning of my videos that I'm wearing it, so link is down below if you guys want to use my affiliate link for Pulse. But anyways, let's go ahead and get into this ginormous haul. Alright, so I'll start with the one candle I bought. I just had to have this one. It's so beautiful. It is the one with the glass jar lids, but they've been having a really good candle sale as of lately, especially online. I think it's ending the day I'm filming, so I don't think it's going on anymore, but they were doing like $12.95 online. You could always do buy online and pick up in store as well, because in store the candles were only $10 off, and this is one of the like $29 candles. But this is the Toasted Coconut Eclair with this gorgeous lid, and this one smells very much like a coconut kind of shavings is what I'm getting from it. And it does have a pastry element to it as well. It has notes of fresh baked donut, milk chocolate frosting, and toasted coconut flakes. Okay, interesting. I didn't know it had milk chocolate, but I am smelling a chocolatey scent in here as well. So this one is very much like a tropical coconut, so the coconut is strong on this one, so you definitely have to like that kind of a note in here. But I think overall this is a really pretty scent and I cannot wait to burn this one. I did buy a couple other candles in my last video. I'll link that one down below. I'm actually trying not to buy so many candles this year. I've actually been decluttering a lot just because candle prices have been really high, and I'm actually trying out some different brands as well. So there's that. Let me get into all of the body care stuff now. Alright, so I did purchase the coconut cream pie. This was an online exclusive, so I did have to order this one. I actually placed a big order and got a lot of this stuff for free using my rewards. If you guys are not signed up for rewards, I've already talked about this on my channel. I should have a video explaining how you can sign up. This is one of my favorite scents, and it is back. It does smell the exact same as it did last year, and I think I like this packaging a lot more too. I think it's very pretty. The notes are toasted coconut flakes, caramel custard, and golden pie crust. So I picked up the body cream and a mist, so I at least have a backup on hand because I forgot to buy a backup last year during SAS, but I'm actually happy to have like a brand new one. If you guys have not smelled this yet, it is like delicious toasted coconut, not a tropical coconut at all, dessert, like caramelized. It's so edible and so good, very strong. This is one of my top probably 5 Bath & Body Works scents of all time. Amazing. I did buy the body creams of all the sprays that I already had. So I did buy the Pear Creme Brulee. I feel like this has been kind of a hot topic here on YouTube in the like Bath & Body Works community, body care community, because people either love this or hate it, which is what I initially said in my first review. Not everyone's gonna like this scent because it is very acquired. It is gourmand, but it has this weird fresh peach that I just don't think that everyone's gonna love. But I feel like on me, once it dries down, it has more of like a whipped cream caramel note to it. But this isn't like my favorite scent. I don't know if I'll be picking up backups. Maybe during SAS, if it's 75% off, I might snag another cream. But I did want this just to go with my spray because I think it's a nice scent. I just don't think I'm obsessed with it. This one I am obsessed with, and this is the Peach Prosecco Macaron. I think it's my favorite in this collection. I picked up the body cream in my last video, so I wanted to get the spray as well. This is so good. I feel like the body cream though is definitely more of the, oh, and let me say it correctly so I do not offend anybody. It's macaron. I sometimes say macaroon. People always get very upset when people pronounce things wrong, and it's just so hard to be able to pronounce every single word correctly. It's just really not a big deal when you guys know what I mean. So it's macaron, just so you guys know. But like I was saying, the body cream definitely has more of the macaron notes to it, more vanilla. This one has more peachiness, a little bit more of the Prosecco, and it smells more like peach rings rather than the body cream. I feel like has more of a kind of cookie kind of note to it. But really this is my favorite from the collection and one of my favorite peach scents. I feel like it's pretty strong as well. I did go ahead and try the Bubbly Rose body cream too, but I think in general I'm going to be decluttering this scent. I'm actually doing a video of scents I'm decluttering out of my collection, so that is coming soon. But yes, I'm just not a fan. I know a lot of people love this one and say it's super sweet. For me, I don't get a lot of sweetness or sugariness from this. It's just very tart to me. So on me, it just does not smell great. I don't love drink scents in general. That's just my personal preferences. I know a lot of people really love that one. And then I did go ahead and buy the Whipped Berry Meringue body cream. I do feel like this one and Boardwalk Taffy smell way too similar for me to have another miss. I don't have a backup of Boardwalk Taffy in the cream, so I decided to go ahead and get this in the cream. It has fresh berries, whipped sugar, and fluffy vanilla. This is like a very berry cotton candy kind of scent. It's really good. So I actually did need this cream to have a backup because I'm actually almost out of Boardwalk Taffy right now, so I could pair that with the mist. Alright, next up we have the Fresh Laundry collection. This is officially out in stores. I know a lot of you guys were waiting. My stores put it out earlier this week, but then I've been waiting on the white t-shirt body cream every day. I've been checking, and finally today they had it, so I was so excited to be able to film this. But yeah, it should be in stores now if you guys are looking for it. This is definitely my favorite collection of all the new spring. I love this so much because it's just very fresh and perfect for spring summer. So I grabbed a backup of fresh coconut and cotton, and when I buy backups this early at like the regular price, you guys know that means it's good because usually I will just wait until the SAS, but I do not want this to be sold out. So I went ahead and grabbed a backup because I've really been loving this one. I think I like this one even more than white t-shirt. You do get a lot of coconut in here, but it's a very fresh coconut laundry detergent type of scent, and it's so good to me. I can't get enough. So I did grab a backup. Also picked up the body cream in that one, which I will definitely need to get a backup of. Once this hits online, I'll probably just do a reward for this to get it for free. But I did pick up the body cream as well, and I do feel like the body cream almost has more like fresher notes to it, a little bit more powdery than the like the spray. I feel like the spray is a little bit more coconutty, and this one, I mean, they're close, but it just seems a little bit more fresh to me. But yeah, this is definitely a favorite. I'm absolutely in love with the fresh coconut and cotton. I also grabbed the shower gel, which I don't really buy shower gel. So again, fresh shower gels are something I really enjoy, just to smell so clean in the shower. Almost mistake this for a lotion because it kind of looks like the lotions. They don't usually have an all like white packaged shower gel like that. Also had to grab a backup of white t-shirt just because this is so popular. I'm a little bit nervous that it won't be available at the summer sale, but if it is, I'll definitely probably buy more. I just really want to have this one on hand. It's so fresh. It doesn't really have many fruity notes to it like the coconut one does. This one's just like pure dryer sheets laundry detergent. Has notes of crisp pear, which I had a question about this. You don't really smell the pear in here as much as you do like the pear creme brulee. The pear just kind of is in the very background. You don't really smell that. It just smells like laundry, like if you know what I mean. But it's really good. I feel like it's very wearable too. The notes are crisp pear, fresh white t-shirt, lavender cloud, clean musk, and soft sandalwood. So yeah, it's basically supposed to smell like your freshly washed white t-shirt. So I mentioned I found the body cream today finally, so I went ahead and bought 2 of them again because I just don't want to run out. I haven't tried this yet, so let's see. Ooh, I feel like I like this spray a little bit better. This one smells even more laundry, again, more powdery than the spray does. The spray almost has like a perfumed element to it that makes it great to just wear as a fragrance. And this one's definitely more like comforting, almost lavender like laundry detergent. So it'll definitely pair good together with the spray, but I feel like this is actually more authentic to the original shower gel that I have, and the spray is a little bit off, but I actually like the spray better. But I also bought the shower gel, so white t-shirt shower gel. I do own the original shower gel, and this will be my backup, but this smells just the same as the original shower gel, so good to know. That's one of my all-time favorites. So that is the white t-shirt shower gel. Now this kind of looks like it's supposed to be in that same collection, but apparently it's not. It's in the collection with Pastel Skies, which I did a review on that one, and this one is also coming in a full size. There's also another scent coming in this collection that I need to see if I can get ahead of time. We'll see, but this is not out yet in the full size. You can find the minis at your stores though, if you guys have a mini section. So I don't have the notes on this one, but this is just another fresh fragrance, and this one isn't like laundry to me. This is more like fresh fruit. So I don't think I'm really in love with it. I don't like those kind of bubbly fruity kind of scents, which that's kind of reminded me of, and I feel like I've smelled this before, but I'm getting a bright berry somewhere in this fragrance. I'm not sure what the notes are. Let me see if I could find them. Sometimes people post stuff, so let's see if they are posted. Okay, I do see them. It has bright yuzu citrus and fresh ocean air, so that is the citrus note I'm smelling. It's not a berry note, which makes sense. I'm not always the best with fragrance notes. It's definitely a lighter citrus. I don't know if I love it. I'm just not a big fruity citrus kind of girl, but I did want to go ahead and try that one in the mini. Okay, so next I did end up picking up the Gingham Love. I wouldn't say this is a love at first sniff for me by any means. I actually just exchanged another lotion I had for this. I didn't have any creams to exchange. I do prefer the creams, but I thought I would just go ahead and try it out since I didn't really have to pay extra. This has sugared red berries, blushing freesia, and rose meringue. I did review the hand sanitizer in this one, and this is very close to the original Gingham. We had the Gingham Heart of Gold for holiday. That one's actually, I think, a signature scent now. Like, it hasn't gone on sale at all. That one's a lot different than Gingham. This one's just so close to it. Gingham's a very kind of fresh scent to me, and this one makes it a little bit sweeter, so it's definitely more enjoyable to me. I'm not a big fan of Gingham, but actually they came out with the perfume, and when it comes to Bath & Body Works scents, I always love the perfume better than the fragrance mist. It just kind of changes and it's a little bit different. And I feel like sometimes the perfumes, they smell almost sweeter than the fragrance mist do, and they're a lot stronger. So this is just so cute. It comes in the heart-shaped box, and then you have the Gingham Love perfume. I feel like this is definitely like a collectible item because this scent is definitely not going to stick around forever. My bow though is kind of messed up because it has one side like this, but then the other side is nothing. I don't know if that's normal, but I do really like the perfume in this one more than the fragrance mist that I tried in store. It's really pretty. It's honestly, I've heard it compared a lot to You're the One, and I would agree with that. It's like a lighter version of You're the One and not so heavy on the rose. It's gingham added with a drop of rose to it. Maybe a little bit of that strawberry nectar. I think it's really pretty in the perfume, so I actually might declutter my You're the One and just use this one because sometimes You're the One is like a bit too much for me, and this one's just a little bit on the lighter side. Really enjoy it, so really happy to have the perfume. I did use my 20% off coupon today, and I always wait to use those if I'm buying like bigger items like perfumes and like candle holders. So I think this ended up being $40, but it's originally, let's see, $60. So it's pricey, but I think it's just so cute, and I've kind of been collecting a little bit of the Bath & Body Works perfumes. Like, I bought the Open Sky during SAS when it was on sale. I hated the fragrance mist of that, but I love the perfume. It's so weird. So I think that's the same with Gingham Love, honestly. And I just wanted to have this lotion to go along with it. And maybe eventually I will pick up the body cream too. We'll see. Okay, and then my last actual body care thing, and then we'll get onto soaps here in a bit, but I did want to pick up a strawberry pound cake. I did not have a backup spray, so I figured I would pick it up in the faceted collection. This is back out again, so don't worry, strawberry pound cake is here to stay. I'm sure of it because this is such a love scent. It smells like strawberry shortcake to me. It's so good. One of my favorite gourmands. Notes of fresh strawberries, golden shortcake, and whipped cream. Wish I kind of did buy a backup with the cuter packaging because I don't love this faceted collection, and they seem to be doing everything faceted these days, which is nuts, and it costs more. I just don't understand. I like cutesy packaging and not just like plain stuff like this, but I did pick that one up. I actually got that during their fragrance mist sale, so I did get a good deal on that. And then they also were having a soap sale, so I bought some soaps. They were $3.50. I always love the spring soap, so I purchased, of course, white t-shirt soap. Had to have this because you know I love it. We have the fresh coconut and cotton, so they do have these laundry scents in the soaps. I bought some from the brunch collection, peach prosecco macaron, since I love the body care so much. That one smells really good, just like the body care. This is my favorite. I love pistachio and I love almond scents. This is pistachio cream puff. Why did we not get this in body care, Bath & Body Works? Because this would have been such a good addition to the line. Like, I would have bought tons of this if this was body care. So please watch this video and please make this in body care sometime, either this year, next year. I need to have it because this is one of the best pistachio delicious scents ever. It's so beyond amazing. It reminds me a lot, if you guys remember the pistachio ice cream candle, that is what this reminds me of a bit. It has that delicious pistachio, some vanilla in there. The notes actually are pistachio, almond, and whipped vanilla. All my favorite things. Like, if this was a signature scent for Leah, it would be this. I also got Vanilla Cloud. I have this in the sanitizer spray and I've been using it so much. I really like it. This one has whipped vanilla, apple blossom, and sandalwood. It does smell like my spray. This is a very soft and light scent, so I'm not getting a ton from it, but to me it's just like a very comforting light vanilla. And then actually this is an extra. This is body care. I did buy this. I thought it was going to be a part of the fragrance mist sale, but it was full price. I just went ahead and bought it anyway. Unfortunately, I should have used a reward on it, but this is the In the Stars perfume spray. This was out of stock for a while and they brought it back, and like I said, I love the perfumes from Bath & Body Works, so having In the Stars, I am so excited because this will be even stronger than the mist, and I just love In the Stars. So that is what I got so far for this humongous Bath & Body Works haul. Just stocking up on all the good spring stuff. There's only one more thing that I'm kind of looking for, and that is the heart. I think there's a glitter candle holder for the 3 wicks. I have not seen that on my stores yet, and then whenever this kind of Pastel Skies Fresh Getaway collection comes out, I'm not sure when that will be. We have so many collections out right now, so it might be a minute. They also have the Black History Month collection out in stores. I saw that today. They repackaged Champagne Toast and also the men's scent Antiqued, plus there's a few candles and I think a couple soaps. But I'm trying to think. I think that's mostly everything. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you guys picked up any new spring at Bath & Body Works, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.